Hello guys, I want to thank you people for wishing me happy birthday. I'm gonna sing some song for you people. Ok, let's go. Mon poteau, là je suis pété, rache en buvette face au béton. Putain, j'ai des poteaux qui sont béton. Oh là, j'ai des ramasses sur le béton, ça fait chier. Et tu sais pourquoi je fais ça? Ça tourne la hesse, ça. Je suis de bon âge, je toque. C'est tout ce qui me plaît, tout ce qui me plaît. Je suis de bon âge où j'écris. À deux fois de loin où j'écris. Je de coca, ça que toca. Tout ce qui me plaît, tout ce qui me plaît. Ma mère, elle est toujours pas là. Je m'appelle Etiosa et j'ai 12. J'ai 12 ans, hein, j'ai 12 ans. Et tu sais pas quoi faire, tu sais pas quoi faire. Ah la nanana, Rosie crie, et ouais, je sais pas chanter, et alors? Tu sais pas qu'est-ce que je fais. Merci à tous, merci à tous. Thank you guys, merci à vous. Merci beaucoup à vous, merci, franchement merci. Vraiment merci à vous. Merci, franchement merci. Thank you guys, I love you people very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I want to thank everybody. I want to greet everybody. I want to appreciate everybody. I want to thank Una to join me celebrate my son. Etiosa Ibagwa. So I say make I join now. Tell Una thank you. Because himself, he's so happy. He was so happy. He was very happy. Like he couldn't get to do video for Una. Make tell Una say thank you. Una say celebrate him, saying love Una where and God go bless Una. As Una join me so celebrate my son Etiosa. Oh God. Now so everybody go see John and say celebrate that thing where God want to do for Una, where they pay Una for mind. God go celebrate Una, go give Una the blessings. Maybe say people go come join and celebrate. Yes, those where they find Pikin go see Pikin born to come join and celebrate. Everything Una they find for this life where they pay Una for mind, God will give Una so that people will come join and celebrate. Tell Una congratulations. So I thank Una well. And I want to say congratulations to my governor. Governor Norerase Godwin Obaseki. Yes, I want to say congratulations to you, sir. I am so very happy for you. I am so happy for you. Because they say when you see better thing, you're supposed to appreciate them. And I carry myself to come congratulate him for the kind of man where he be. My governor, sir, you are a subscriber of grace. All your day your head, mat for your body. I use your matter to get small sense. Join the one where I forget. Because they say this life, they say when God send person message, because when they disturb the person for road, you know me ever use it. Another thing, many people say, "Okay, na any lage." I can't get to believe now where we say any parable not they lost, you know, they throw away. I can't think and say my own beginning now saying I never get what I don't pray put for this life. Where God not they answer me, you know they. So now where my name go? This my governor name, so the two name we carry, a powerful name. Grace today the two name. He said God win. So tell me why God not go win? Eh? He not say Sandra win no. He not say Sky Prince win no. He said God win. So tell me why God not supposed to win. That one for one. Then another of the name God talk say no rega say etwa. I show another time we say if they want if you want run for school. Some people body they catch them, no be they go on munya. You see person one they say on your mask get ready go. Don't you big race all these big race they go. That person will want win so. You know hurry, he go suffer the run. He go suffer the run. Before you know it, now he go win. Maybe no rega say etwa. Who will win for facts, you know they talk. My governor, sir, I respect you. And I constantly get to know, say, when person they talk less, it makes sense. Yes, silence is golden. And I not go forget to say thank you to our deputy governor, Comrade Philip Shaibu Namayubi. I respect you so much. You are a man of your words. You talk one thing where I watch one day, you say you know they lose for anything. You say you know they lose for fights. Say me will go ask, say you know they lose for fights. That was so impressive, you know. So at the end of the day, I can't feel the weight of that talk where you talk, say you know they lose for fights. I say thank you to you. We just stand by our brother. God, you know where I say Obaseki, you know betray him, you know talk saying a Benin man, you know look the tribe, but you just believe so much on them. So I really appreciate and I say thank you. I join my Edo people to tell you thank you because it's not easy to see man like you. God bless you, sir. Philip Shaibu, our deputy governor. God bless you. And to all the Edo people where they are abroad, my first start from there. God go bless all of you now. For everything we wanna do, for the fight we wanna fight, it was indeed a good fight. Una do well. Una voice the hear and me loud. I so much appreciate you now. For once, God, in a way, we make us bane do yama ona wag banya, ona wag bafo, ona wag bagbe, ona wag bagbera. Una to try. Everybody where they abroad, una to try. We get well, una try where. And our people where they Benin, where they are those states, God will bless all of una. The way una not say look here. The way una say vote on a conscience, that thing. This one show me say this 2020 so where a lot of things happen. Say na good year, na year where they get sense because the time where they stay house, at least everybody make use of their brain. And yes now, so it can't sweet me. Say everybody make use of their brain. Say everything come out good, everything come out well. Everybody don't get salad, everybody don't get sense, everybody don't wise. So I say thank you to all of you now. No so Obaseki. You win this second term. You win a talk banner. Salobo Afian, God will bless all of you now. As all of you now take pray for us. All of you now take support them. Una bring money come out for pockets. And my people where they are abroad. Una own surprise me pass. Not because una girls una one game. Una family live there abroad. The ones we get picky for this side now few. Some family they never intend to come Nigeria. They never intend to come Benin, but they support the government because we were there. They support the government. So why I come talk all those things? So I just want to congratulate my governor. I may tell una thank you for what you una do. And I don't forget to say, Pastor Osagie Izeyamu, accept my sympathy. I feel your pain. I know what it means for person to contest or something. You may lose. It's not easy. You know, not be waiting people, not be able to feel they take him. But sir, Osagie Izeyamu, and to your followers, make una take heart. And there's always a next time. He who fights and run away lives to fight another day. So sir, please take heart and just see it as a politics, as a game. God bless you. People will support you. God will bless them. And the ones who bring their money for their pockets, when I don't think so, and lose. There's always the next time. Make we are beg. Another thing. This one a general advice. This one I waiting me learn. I want me all of us learn together. Another thing be say, before you start to worry anybody, before you plan death or plan say you want drag person go back or you want kill anybody, you want carry person go down, you want do anybody anything. I could be say over mwe bogbo mama na wu. Or when you say I was a loba boy ene. Before you start to worry people, fair know the kind name where they bear and fair try to figure out the kind of grace where they carry. So people that do that they push person, then go fall. So if you fall, as you get up, you know they run, they go so. No push them again. Make you not go for break head or break waist. So now just advice for when I say make we use, because I not just see this as election, I use and take guess sense. If anything happen around you, say you not pick sense for your side. We found pick sense. They only buy for market now. Even no sooner they can imagine you know, so this politics, when I hear the final results, I shed tears of joy, as in ghost people enter my body, enter my body. Immediately I started to pray and kneel down and say, God, this kind of grace where they follow God will not baseki. So I say, I beg, I want tap from her. I need that kind of grace. Where we say people, everybody go see you as a leader, or see you say this person, or they see that thing where you put inside the person, because everybody gets them. Everybody figure them out for inside body. They believe and say this man a better person will deliver even after 4 years. So I just use until learn say for this life, grace is very important than talent safe. So people they get grace, they not to get talent like that, but the grace where they carry they go. So people get talent, they don't get grace. So that's why you don't go to the jealous each other, you not the envy each other, because you don't know the grace where that person carry, the voltage I high, you don't know. I congratulate Obaseki, I congratulate Shaibu, I congratulate everybody where they Edo, all the Edo people, I congratulate all of us. Thank God for everything, and thank God for a successful election, no violence, it was peaceful, it was unique. Like never before, not be as we think So kudos to the governor, Godwin Obaseki. I said thank you, and please, so the parties where you lose, I beg, more not take a person that will still be one. More not say I'm saying na one kind of thing. Na politics as they talk, na politics. So everything everybody talk, more not take a person, and more just take and say na normal thing. We don't already get the result we define. The election has been done, results don't come out. So I beg, we will bounce back to the welfare day, to the welfare be. Na politics, you know. So I beg, no need to beef anybody, no need to hate anybody. More carry on again for stop. We'll carry on again. I beg. Oba la talk be. Wa talk be wawa. Oba no nyato yase we wa talk be yo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Peace. One love.